In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Endnote Toolbar in Microsoft Word. If the Endnote Toolbar is missing from your Word ribbon, it usually means the add-in has not been enabled or properly connected. This toolbar is essential for inserting citations, managing references, and automatically formatting bibliographies directly inside your document. Without it, you won't be able to use the powerful Cite While You Write feature efficiently. The good news is that restoring it only takes a few minutes. Begin by opening Microsoft Word and looking carefully at the top ribbon. Check whether you see a tab labeled EndNote or possibly a version-specific name such as EndNote 20. If the tab is not visible, you will need to activate the add-in manually. Click on the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen, then choose Options to open the Word Options window. From the menu on the left side, select Add-ins. At the bottom of this window, you will see a section labeled Manage with a drop-down menu beside it. Make sure the drop-down is set to COM add-ins, then click the Go button. A new window will appear listing available add-ins. Look for an entry called EndNote Cite While You Write. If you find it and the checkbox next to it is not selected, simply check the box and click OK. Once you return to the main Word window, the EndNote tab should now appear in the ribbon. If EndNote does not show up in the COM add-ins list, return to the Word Options window and choose Customize Ribbon from the left-hand panel. In the drop-down menu labeled Choose Commands From, select All Commands. Scroll down through the alphabetical list until you find EndNote Commands. On the right side of the window, create a new tab in the Main Tabs section. Select that new tab, then click Add to move the EndNote command into it. Click OK to confirm the changes. After completing these adjustments, check your ribbon again. The EndNote tools should now be visible and ready to use for inserting citations and managing references directly within Word. By properly enabling or adding the EndNote integration, you can restore full functionality and continue working on your academic or research documents without interruption. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.